Ever wonder how designers make image look like they are behind frosted or fluted glass? Today I will show you how to do it. And by the end you will be able to make this effect in just a few clicks. Hey everyone, welcome back to Men Design. I'm Munchie, and today we are diving into glass displacement effect. It has many different names like rigid glass, fractal glass, and fluted glass. But it can be achieved by using a displacement map. And what is that? And we are going to find out today. Before we dive in, make sure you download the starter file so you can follow along. I put a link in the description below. Alright, open up the starter file. Let's look at the reference. This one is from a design studio. I put their website link here. Notice the vertical fluted lines and the soft frosted texture. This layer look is what we will be recreating today. Now let's take a look at the layers panel. Most of the screen elements are already set up. The imagery will go inside this frame. First, pick a portrait image. I'm using one from Lumi, but feel free to choose your own. Next, duplicate it so the original stays safe. Then select the image and open Displace plugin. This one is a good one with many presets. You can play around. Alright, I will pick this one and adjust the X offset to around 20. It looks good. Apply effect. Now the imagery, as you see here, it's modified. Good that we duplicate so we still have the original one on the side. So that's the fast way. And let's dive into a more customizable method. By the way, if this is helpful so far, hit the like button so more designers can find it. Displacement maps are basically patterns of light and dark that bend your image. You can make one manually, like this one, or just grab any imagery. To get better effect, you can search texture and grab one you like. Next, we open another plugin called Realistic Glass. First, be mindful about the UX here. It's not perfect, but it works. So now we are going to select the source image and select the displacement map. Let's try the texture photo first, then adjust the amount. Look how cool it is. Now we are getting to the annoying part. If you want to change either the source image or displacement map, you can't just remove the imagery and select a new one. The plugin will not responding to the request. All you can do is close and reopen it again. So let's open it again and select the imagery and displacement map here. Then adjust the settings. I will go 3 in the amount and 3 in the smoothness. Then hit generate. And now we have our imagery ready. Let's refine it. In our reference, the face is still visible through the glass. And to get that, let's stick the original image on top of the displaced one and put them inside the frame. And create an oval shape over the face. Use it as a mask. Then apply a heavy blur to this oval shape. I will do it around 132. Then I will reduce the field opacity down to 95%. That way some of the glass texture can still shine through. And this gives a sense of continuity. And that's it. Today you learned 2 ways to create glass displacement effects. Quick presets with Displace plugin and custom maps with Realistic Glass plugin. If this video helps, share it with your design buddies, and if you've got any question, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel because more design breakdown is on the way. Thanks for watching, I'm Munchie, and see you in the next one.